Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you a powerhouse of productivity, the USB-C Universal Dual Video 4K DOCK190 docking station with 100 watt power. This docking station is built to enhance your workspace efficiency, delivering exceptional performance, convenience, and versatility for all your devices. In this video, I'll take you through an unboxing, explain its features, and show how you can transform the way you work. Let's jump right in. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the USB-C Universal DOCK190 docking station, a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging, a power adapter with a detachable AC cable, a variety of power tips accompanied by a cable with a 3-pin port to allow for them to connect to legacy laptops, a USB-C to USB-A cable, and a quick start guide to help you set up in minutes. Each component is carefully packaged, and everything you need to get started is included. The docking station has a sleek and professional design that fits perfectly into any modern workspace. It's compact enough to save desk space, but packed with features to connect all your devices seamlessly. The included USB-C cable is sturdy and designed for reliable, high-speed data transfer and charging. The power adapter delivers up to 100 watts of power, ensuring that your work laptop can be charged efficiently while using the dock. But do note that for high-end laptops, for more robust work and high-end gaming, will limit its effectiveness. Please check your laptop's power rating before you consider purchasing it. Now, let's explore the docking station's ports and features. On the front, there is a USB-C port, a USB-A 3.2 port, and a convenient audio combo jack for headphones or microphones. On the back, you'll find two HDMI 2.0 ports and two display ports for connecting up to two 4K monitors, an Ethernet port for stable internet connectivity. Additionally, there's three USB-A ports, a power input and a power out, a USB-C host port for connecting your laptops, and a lock slot for combination locks to prevent theft or to secure it in place. This comprehensive set of ports make it easy to transform your laptop into a fully equipped workstation for ease of access. Setting it up is incredibly simple. First, plug in the power adapter to the dock, then the power outlet. Then, connect the USB-C cable to the laptop and the dock's USB-C host port. Finally, connect your monitor's peripherals and any other devices to the respective ports. Once everything is connected, you are ready to go. The dock also features display link technology, ensuring smooth performance with Windows and Mac OS devices. Let's test some of its key capabilities. The dual HDMI ports support up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz, giving you sharp visuals and smooth performance across two monitors. It is perfect for multitasking, whether you are editing videos, designing graphics, or managing spreadsheets. The modest 100 watt power delivery ensures that your laptop stays charged even during power-intensive tasks on your workstation. The Ethernet port provides a stable and reliable connection, and the USB ports let you connect peripherals like keyboards, mice, and external drives with ease. And that's it. The USB-C Universal DOCK190 docking station with 100 watt power is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to streamline their workspace and enhance their productivity. Its powerful features, compact design, and wide compatibility makes it a must-have for professionals, creators, and gamers alike. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below for any questions and feedback. And don't forget to go to the links in the description or visit sourceit.com.sg to get your very own docking station today.